So this is a 66 Corvette Stingray, 427, 390 horsepower. Everything is all original except the valve covers, but there will be original valve covers included. The only blemishes is the windshield is scratched a little bit right there, can be buffed out, and there's also a scratch right here. Other than that, no paint imperfections. Interior is 100%, I believe. This center cap is there, but it is just a little out of place. Could be fixed easily. All the other center caps are there.